Hi everyone. In this video, we'll cover Alan Baddeley's working memory model from chapter 9. According to the text, working memory is the active and temporary representation of information that's maintained for the short term, and it's available for manipulation. Working memory is a facet or a cognitive tool in short-term memory processing. Essentially, if we want a short-term memory to be retained, we have to work at it. In 1974, Alan Baddeley demonstrated this model of working memory. The process he proposed includes two distinctive, independent short-term memory buffers: a phonological loop, which rehearses verbal information through mental representations, and a visuospatial sketchpad, which holds and manipulates mental representations of objects and their locations. Both of these buffers are controlled and monitored by a central executive. For the mnemonic device, we'll explore an association between Baddeley's model and a business. In a successful business, the executive oversees two departments. The sales department is responsible for rehearsing a sales pitch and calling potential customers by phone, and the product department is responsible for manipulating existing products and visualizing new products by creating sketches. Like the central executive, the business executive oversees two departments and is responsible for monitoring, updating, and transferring employees in each department. For example, the executive might increase or decrease the number of employees in the departments. And likewise, one role of the central executive is adding and deleting information from the memory buffers. Now, the two departments that represent the two distinct independent memory buffers are depicted in these two images. On the left, we have sales, where employees rehearse a verbal pitch before phoning potential customers. We can associate this with the phonological loop, which also employs mental rehearsal of verbal information. And on the right is product, where employees change existing products or visualize new products by creating sketches. This serves as an association for the visuospatial sketchpad, which is a buffer that holds and manipulates mental visualizations of objects and their locations. In short, the phonological loop may be associated with phone rehearsal and the visuospatial sketchpad with visual sketch. I hope you've enjoyed this mnemonic device and find it useful in recalling Baddeley's model. Thank you.